everyone, happy Saturday. It's Lupe here and this is Nico. He's my guest star today and we got a fun project. Yep. We have, what are we doing today, Nico?
I'm gonna make lemon stuff like lemon bun and lemonade.
Lemonade, and what do we gotta do first to make it?
And get some lemons from Abuela's garden.
First we're gonna get the lemons from Abuela's garden, aka my mom, his grandma, Abuela. All right, so Ellie already kind of beat us to it. Ellie, Mama, say hi. All right, Nico, this is called a Myers lemon. This is the one that makes the awesome lemon cake. All right, so let's get some bags and then we're gonna start picking them, okay? All right, so Ellie, are you gonna help? What did you find there? Oh my goodness, this is pretty. Yeah, we want this one too. Ellie, you wanna help Nico? All right, let's see. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. So,
I got 3 lemons in the ground right now.
Well, let's leave the ground ones to the end because we got to check them out. Make sure they're still good.
This one's not on the ground.
But we'll start with...
Ooh.
Perfect.
Big lemon?
Yeah, nice.
And mini lemon.
Nice. Oh, we got so many. Look at in here.
Look at how this is going. In the bag already, guys. Look at my little cousin doing. Her picking some lemons too. Lupe, you're getting a good job.
Thank you. We got lots of lemons to pick. We're gonna fill lots of bags.
Yeah, I made a lot of lemonades and a lot.
You love lemonade?
Yeah.
Nice.
And a lot. I like a lemon bun too.
Mama, you gonna help? We got some reinforcements and Ellie's talking some more. She's managing. And Daddy's helping too.
Look at them over there doing the lemon. And doing the oranges. So, hey dog. Hey you. You so proud of you on YouTube right now? Okay, watch it.
This is a grapefruit that we're gonna do. The tree is just loaded. So my husband's gonna get the ones on the top and then we're gonna try to get as many of these off as possible. My helper already needed to take a break. What you got there, Nico?
I got some Takis, some chips, and bubble gum.
Are you gonna share with Ellie? Little bit. That's enough. Thank you. My mom and husband are raking up, cleaning up under this lemon tree. There's so many, we want to give it a good shake, but we want to get the ones that have been on the floor away and cleaned up. Ellie tapped out already. And my honey. These are limas. I don't really care for this citrus. It has like a mild taste and there's a ton here. My grandpa put them in when he was alive. But we got to figure out if we know anybody that likes these. We did. We have another one over there. We did clear out some over there. We're leaving at the bottom some that were too far past gone. They could just feed the soil. But those are Sevilla oranges, or a bitter orange. They're really good for marinating meats. So I'm gonna try that. I haven't done that before. Like harvested it for it. So, oh, there's my other helper. He's back. We're gonna keep going. All right, so this is what we have. We have grapefruit, little lemons, lots of Meyer lemons, and a couple bagfuls over there. We're gonna dump it all and rinse some now.
Hey guys, are this close to making the lemonade thing?
Yeah, lemonade is coming right up.
Yep, it's coming in 20 minutes.
20 minutes. finally, we're starting the lemonade. And this is just a simple syrup that I'm doing, and we'll be cutting up the lemons in just a moment. But I just want to say that my nephew did such an awesome job and was such a great help. And I want to take this moment in the middle of our video to say a big thank you to Nico for all his help in our lemon adventure day. So Nico is going to start squeezing the lemons. We have lots that we cut up for our lemonade. They look a little orange, but they're Myers lemon, so they're it's like a bright yellow orangey color. It's a sweet but sour taste.
Guys, come on, let's do this.
Okay, let's do this. You're right. Go, Nico.
It's not a seed in it. Look how much, looks like orange juice.
Is really just to rough that shape in. Like Rush.
Guys, guess how old I am? Let me tell you guys something.
Okay.
See this popped in my hand.
Oh man. Right. Are you excited?
Yep. Let me tell you my favorite things is lemon stuff and spicy stuff.
Oh man. You like lemon in your sopita, like your shirt?
Oh yeah. More. This one too.
I like how you're flipping them over so you know they're done already. Good system.
Tapered up in this zone here, which is usually from about the earlobe upwards. But when we're talking about your fade, a fade usually goes down lower.
Guys, you like my shirt? I got this for Christmas.
I love your shirt.
Thank you. You better get us 2,000 likes.
Yeah? We want 1,000 likes for Nico.
If you have a hairstyle that is not...
Yeah, I told you earlier.
That's right.
I told you earlier outside that do it like
Today.
So, we're going to start by grabbing...
I need some more.
Okay.
Number 2 garlic.
I'll get so many lemons. Why didn't you get like 10 lemons? That's it.
Well, for now, we only need a few.
Yeah, because I don't want this like I just don't want to do this and now it's done.
Yeah, imagine you're going to do all day squeezing all the lemons.
Yeah, that's true.
Use what's called a reverse C-stroke, which is just a way of...
Which one do you want me to go for, guys?
So I can blend that area.
Don't know. That's a tough choice. Let's do this one first.
It's time to move down a guard.
Okay.
Take a 1.5.
Let's push. Sorry, guys. Sorry. You like lemons, sorry, I'm squeezing them right now.
You're making them suffer. All right, last but not least.
Done.
All right, all done. Thank you, Nico. We're going to start with the next step. Let's wash our hands and get rid of the trash.
Yep.
All right, so we are ready to start building our lemonade. What we have here is about 8 cups of water. We have the juice that Nico worked really hard to squeeze. And this is our simple syrup, which is melted sugar in water, and it'll make it easier when you stir your lemonade, Nico. So are you ready?
Yep.
Ready to get this show on the road? Okay, so Nico, we're ready for the taste test. So we put a little bit in your taster cup, and I want you to tell us, do we need more lemon or more sugar? And if we do, we'll add a little bit more, or is it ready for everybody to enjoy? Okay, let's see. Wow, is that a big cup? So, tell us what you think. We want the real...
I think I need more sugar.
It needs a little more sugar?
Yeah, because it tastes like a little bit of sugar.
Okay, what about the lemon taste?
Wait, I forgot about Ellie's taste.
No, Ellie's fine.
I think Ellie like needs more sugar.
Ellie likes more sugar too? What about the lemon taste? It's fine?
Yeah.
Just a little more sugar. Okay, so we finished our lemonade. Here we are. And we're gonna taste it, and now we're gonna move on. What's next?
It is my ramen. I should have that.
No, we're not gonna have ramen. We're gonna make a lemon loaf. Nico calls it lemon pan.
I'm in cardboard.
Yeah.
Cardboard.
You covered. Let's cheers, Nico. You did a good job with your lemonade.
Thank you.
So delicious.
Yeah.
Really yummy. I think they should make it. Oh, excuse me. So could have made you burp. I know. Okay, we're moving on. All right, so we started our lemon loaf. We're doing a copycat Starbucks lemon loaf. And what I did is I started the wet ingredients, and I'm gonna have my helper, Nico, work with the dry ingredients, and then we're gonna get it in our oven. So we started our oven at 350. It's a team effort. My mom's getting the oven ready for us, and let me show you the wet ingredients. I will link the recipe that I'm using. I haven't done this one yet. I have made lemon brownies with these Meyer lemons, and they were so good. I haven't made this recipe, but it had a good review, so we'll give it a try, and Nico will give us his honest opinion as well. Okay, so I doubled the recipe, and in here we have sugar,
Yep.
eggs,
Yep.
lemon zest,
Yep.
lemon juice.
Yep.
We also have butter and oil
Yep.
and sour cream.
Yep.
And so that's all in here. And now we're gonna get the flour mixture, which is flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt in here. And Nico, you ready? Nico's gonna use a hand mixer for the first time. Let's do this. So we're gonna start by getting, Nico, this is our flour. We're gonna put only a part of it in there, and I'm gonna tell you when to start, okay? So give me a second.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get about a third of it.
I'll get a second and a half.
No, okay, second and a half. Now you're gonna go to number 1. You're gonna do it by yourself? Okay. Good. Now mix it all together. All around. All around. Keep going. Good job. Keep going. You're doing great. Going. All right, okay, so we mixed most of it. You guys, it's really loud here. We're a big family and there's a lot going on. So Nico and I are doing our best to be nice and loud for the viewers, right, Nico?
Yeah!
Not that loud. Okay, so we got most of it incorporated with the hand mixer. That's a spatula, Nico. So now use your spatula and now try to mix it up. We want to get all the white. I'm going to show you once and then you can do it, okay? You got it? And then mix it.
Take away all of the stuff from the top, right?
Okay, first the top, that's good.
But on the bottom.
And then, perfect. And what I want you to do is fold. Let me show you what folding is. Right? Look, you're going to get it and you're going to fold it in. And you're going to get it and you're going to fold it in. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so fold in all the white.
This.
Yep.
That.
Yep, keep going.
This. That.
Smell the lemon when you're folding it. I can smell it. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, guys, you better make this today or tomorrow.
Well, if they need to buy the lemons, maybe tomorrow they can make it.
Yeah, the one that has a garden like that, go get some lemons.
Yeah, I like that idea. So our loaves are in at 350. It says 50 minutes on the recipe, but to check it after 30 minutes to make sure the top is not getting too golden brown, and if it is, we'll put an aluminum tent over it. So, all right, our loaves are out, and we're gonna let them cool a little bit before we begin to ice them. Wake up! Oh, look what we got here. What do we got here, Nico?
Lemon pan.
Lemon pan. Our lemon loaves are ready and cooled. So you know what that means? Almost time to taste. We're gonna get the frosting on it.
Let me do it.
Icing. This is,
Let me do it.
yes, you get to do it. This is lemon juice, lemon zest, powdered sugar, and a little bit of milk. And we're gonna drizzle it on our cooled pan, okay? Let's see, actually we gotta figure out how we're gonna do this. You know what, I'm gonna give you a spoon and you're gonna little stir. And you can bring it close to you if you want, close to your pan.
Wait. This is actually a better way.
Okay, I like it.
Wait, on this one?
Yep.
Oh.
Smells so good.
Wait, this one too?
Mm-hmm. Here, I'm gonna help you pour. I'm gonna pour a little.
Stop.
Okay, keep spreading. Hurry while it's still soft.
This is my first time getting a little video.
That is. You're doing a great job.
I'm making some more frosting.
Okay.
Mix. Wait, let me.
All right, so it's been a long day. We did lemon picking. We did lemon squeezing for our lemonade. And we did lemon baking. We baked with lemons. So we are doing our final taste test. This is our lemon loaf, lemon pan. And we have our lemonade too. So Nico, what do you think? Should we give it a try?
Sure.
Okay, let's try it. Let's see. I'm gonna use my hands. A little crunchy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, the outside is crunchy.
The outside is crunchy?
And the inside is soft.
Yeah, I agree. The outside is crunchy, but the inside is soft. What do you think about the lemon flavor? Good? Are you happy with our cake?
It's better than Starbucks.
It's better than Starbucks. Mm-hmm. I like it. I think for a future recipe, I would like more of a pound cake type of cake. This is more of a cake like bread, but it is yummy. It has a good taste. I do recommend it. Everyone has different preference. Would you eat it again? What do you think they should make it? Tell them.
You better make it tomorrow or today.
Today, tomorrow, huh? Alrighty. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna have some lemonade. You have any final comments to say? Yeah.
Get us to 1,000 likes.
Get us to 1,000 likes. Alright, bye everyone. Thanks for joining us on our lemon fun adventure day. See you next time.
Next time.